Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we are going to discuss about the product algorithm for efficient attendance management face recognition based approach. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. Spoofing attacks are one of the security threats that biometric recognition systems are proven to be vulnerable to. When spoofed, a biometric recognition system is bypassed by presenting a copy of the biometric evidence of a valid user. Existing approaches are conceptually simple. Multiple frames are required to track the face component, which leads to an increase in the detection time. Hence, the highly cooperative user actions are also required. In this project, the system proposed a novel and simple method for the face detection of the liveness. The key idea of the proposed method is that the difference in the surface property between the live and fake face can be effectively estimated by using diffusion speed. The main motto of this process is the student management. Hence, the face of the each and every student is monitored by the face detection method by using the Addons, and then the feature is extracted from the face region. Then we have to classify the student name. Once the person is identified, means the indication will be displayed. The person is identified. Now we discuss about the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow diagram for the process. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several input phases. After getting the input image from the database, the pre-processing is carried out. In this pre-processing step, we include the filtering technique to remove the noise from the image. If the noise is present in the input image, means the noise is removed by using the filtering technique. After the filtering, the face detection is carried out. In this face detection, we use the Addons method to detect the face regions, and the other unwanted backgrounds will be eliminated. Then the feature extraction is carried out by using the LBP method. LBP is nothing but the local binary patterns. Here the pattern is extracted by the concept of LBP. Now this feature is considered as a test feature. After getting the test feature from the input face, the test feature is undergone for the classification. In this classification module, we have include the three type of inputs. First one is the test feature, then train feature, then target. The test feature is represent the feature of the input image, then the train feature represents the feature of the database images, then the target represents whether the person is available or not. In the train features, the feature of the already cropped face images from the group photo is taken. After including these three as an input for the classification, the classification result will be outcome as an labeled format. For example, if the label 1 is detected, means the person identified is 1. The output will be shown for the person as an text box. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2013 and change the current directory. If you want to execute the code, means first of all open the login panel, so that you can right click in the login_gui.em file and select the option run. Now the login panel was opened. In the login panel, just give the name of any one person, then give the password as same, then click the button login. Once the username and the password will be same, means the dataset folder was open. In the dataset you have the group photos, then as well as in the index file you have the group photos of the classmates. Now after the selection of the input image, the process will be automatically done. After the face detection process, the face extraction will be carried out for the each and every persons. In the face extraction module, the face region only extracted and the other backgrounds will be eliminated. Now I will explain the process one by one. Now when I take the input image from the dataset, the selected input image is shown in the figure 1. Then the filtered image is shown in the figure 2 with the title filtered image. Then the resized is carried out for the filtered image. Then the resized image is shown in the figure 2. Then the binarization is carried out, hence the image is converted into ones and zeros. Then the face detection is carried out for the input image by using the violet zones. The face regions of the input images are bounding by the yellow color bounding box. Then the face extraction is carried out to extract the face regions, and hence the other regions will be eliminated. Then the feature is extracted for the face regions, and the identified persons are displayed in the message box. Thanks for watching this video.